we are at the first golf course pond. I put on a 3-inch mud minnow, and the golf course is on the other side. I'm technically not on it because I'm on the house side, but I'm like technically not on the golf course, so they can't really say anything. Also, it was like 7 o'clock, so there's not gonna be anyone golfing anyway. But there are some big fish in this one, so let's see what we can get. Oh, what is my drag? Why is my drag so loose? Those are good fish. I think he was a 10-pounder, but my drag was so loose. Got all this grass on him. Literally first cast. Oh, he's a little guy. Not that big at all. I mean, 3-inch. Look how much grass. That's insane. K-tail wasn't working, apparently. Even though it usually works. Worked last video, but nice little first fish. Here, so boop. That's fish number 1. I am on a new camera mount. I got a new chest mount because my other one broke when I fell on my e-bike. I crashed horribly in the last video. So, oh my god, those are some massive dogs. They're coming down my way, right? Because I will freak out. Those dogs are way too big. Those dogs are ginormous. Right. Oh my god. Fish? There's a fish. I just came off. Dude, they're so slow today. Oh, there's a gator. That's a fish. That's a good one. All I had to do is wait. All I had to do. Just can't come on hooked. Oh my god. I came unhooked. That was a good 5-pounder. He didn't show up that much, but all these weeds are in the way. Maybe I'm gonna hook him again. Surprised that I'll be able to survive that. Oh, he ate it again. He ate it again. He ate it again. That's a good one. That's a really good one. That is a really good one. Oh, look at that slob. Let's get out of the water here. This is the Florida golf course bass. It's a really nice, pretty fish, dude. Like, they just sit here. The 3-inch NLBN right in his mouth. He actually came back for it for a second time, which is just, he's good. I say 5. Could be more. I'm gonna wait here in 1 second. that. Turn the scale on. I said it, 5.57. Nice size fish. Let's get the exact scale on it. 5.7 pounds. A normal day in Florida. Beautiful 5.5, almost 6 pounder. You have to get a nice release on this guy. Can't go too far in, but try to clear a path. To gills, the water back moving through the gills. Yeah, he's trying to kick back. There he goes. Right off. Okay, I honestly just got to the golf course. Day number 2. I didn't record any of me like riding here or anything because it was pouring rain. It finally just let down a bit, still sprinkling. But this is the perfect weather for the K-tail because like this is cool out. The fish are aggressive. Like that right there. That was a massive fish. Or a gator. Might have been a gator. Can't tell. What was that? Oh, that was a gator. Yeah, look at that. That kind of scared the Jesus out of me, but that's just a little gator. Alright, sorry, switch. Look at this sunset. This is like, you can't get a better sunset than this. Look at that. It's starting to rain again, but we were just fishing right over there, this pond, and then we were just gonna go right over here. There is a lot of fish in here, but that one is where I caught 10 pounder before. Well, not me, my dad, but it's right next to each other. This one has a lot more little ones, and I already see the gator in the bank, which is just awesome. And it is him. Holy crap. Is that a gator? I literally can't tell. Nope, there's 2 of them. 1, 2. I don't like this. Look at him. He's not that big, but still will do some damage. Hello. Oh, no. No. I'm going to walk over here. Alright, time to put on a 3 and actually try to catch a fish. I wasn't recording, but I just had a lightning bolt literally above my head. Like, right above my head. Where's my bike? Oh, it's all the way up there. Like, it was right here above my head. You hear the thunder. Threw a 3-inch on, so we should almost 100% get fish now. But that's not the case, it seems. That is a fish. I knew it. 3-inch. Oh, there you come. Just came off. Oh, where's the gator? Gotta watch out for those things. First fish. Just a little tiny dink. The water is so warm compared to the rain. Fish number 1. Let's see how many more we get here. 2 is like right there. Let's see. This is going to be the last spot for today because the rain is getting dark and there's a lot of gators in the pond. And I really don't want to get caught by a gator. Let's cast straight along this bank. Got one. fighting. Is he good? No, dude, that dink was fighting like it was a 10-pounder. Oh, that was insane. This fish, that lightning was right above us. This is not even a pound. Look at the colors. The colors were really, really nice. Yep. Thunder, bass, gator, NLBN. You actually can't get more Florida than this. Dude, you missed fully. Listen, you guys might say this is not part of the golf course. The golf course is right across that road. So I'm counting it. It's been a hell of a ride to get here. I don't even know if I can cast that far, but we're gonna try. First of all, I need to get up on this wall. Oh, that is really far down. I trespassed in this construction site, go over a fence, brought my bike over somehow, just for me not to be able to make a cast. That's what a fish would be. I was like, gar. Nah. So let's keep on walking. Just don't fall on that side. If you fall on that side, we're done. We're gonna get hurt if you fall on that side. I have a bass. No way. No, it just came off. It just broke me off. It just broke me off. Good. Look at this. We are at where we started day one. We have now a 4-inch K-tail instead of the 5-inch, so hopefully more bass will eat it. And earlier we made a little pit stop first cast. We are moving ponds because I'm just not feeling this one. I casted a lot, didn't have a bite. But we are going to another pond on the golf course. There's a lot of ponds on this golf course. Now I am where I almost got struck by lightning yesterday. So, yeah. Not yesterday, the day before, but it's 3 days, and I had to do some stuff for... I just want to get to... Oh, that's a fish. Trying to eat it. How don't you eat that? Just tell me how. Eat that. All of a sudden, there's no wind. Awesome. Exactly how I went yesterday. I switched it up a bit. I got a 3-inch mud minnow on because it's just, the fish love this. So if I don't catch a fish on this, I honestly just don't know. Cast a lot better in the wind too. This is the cast right here. Watch. Right along that bank. Same thing happened last night. Let's see if there's a fish here. That wasn't right along the bank. It was kind of a bad cast. But like that was a fish. Let's today you guys just see me go insane. This is one of those days where there's like just nothing. That is gonna be it for today's video. We caught 1 5-pounder, almost 6, and a couple, I don't even know, just a couple little ones. Almost got struck by lightning. Gator was close again. And yeah, that's really it. There's apparently a chase happening in the background, as you can hear, but follow, subscribe, comment, do all of them. I don't really know what I'm saying, but stay to the next video. Every Friday.